Hey guys, how you doing? Coach Keon here. I want to come on real quick and I want to share with you guys some powerful information that's really, I've been using it to really help a lot of my clients, and I want to share with you because I believe in empowerment, right? So when people ask me, what is it that I do? I'm going to explain it to you in 4 simple ways, right? 4 simple boxes, right? 4 things that I do for you, and I want to make sure that every one of you learn this. Number 1, I'm going to help you to learn why. I'm going to show you how. I'm actually going to help you formulate a goal. And I'm also going to put together a plan with you. Now, what are these 4 things? Why is it important for you to learn them? Well, it's simple that I'm going to teach you your FIN number. Why is it important for you to learn your FIN number? It's because it helps you know 2 things when it comes to your retirement. It helps you to know, number 1, what you're going to need. And it also tells you how much you need to save. How many of you know how much you need in order to retire comfortably? Let me ask you that question. How many of you know what you need in order to retire comfortably? I'm going to teach you how to do that. That's why. So it all comes back to saving. How much do you save to reach your retirement goals? Then number 2, I'm going to show you how. How is through learning how to put together a budgeting, right? You got to have a budget plan. What is your budgeting plan? Because budgeting is not about tracking your spending. Budgeting is about knowing how much you can save, once again, and also how much you should be spending, right? That's what budgeting is all about. So it's important for you to learn how to put together a budgeting plan and using a simple formula. How? Now, once you know how much you can, once again, save again, you now start creating a goal with that. And what is the goal? The goal is for you to create a stronger, right? You want to create a stronger financial foundation, right? You want to create a stronger financial foundation. If you don't have a stronger financial foundation, every time your foundation is tested, it will crack. So what does a financial foundation look like? You got to have proper protection. You got to have debt management. You got to have an emergency fund. And then you can save and invest your money. You got to learn how to do all 4 of those things simultaneously. And then the plan is to make sure that we put together wealth protection, right? You got to make sure that all your wealth is protected. You want to make sure that you have wealth protection. Wealth protection is so important for you and your family to have because that's one of the reasons why estate planning is so crucial. You got to protect your estate. You need to have a will. You got to have a power of attorney. You also got to make sure that you have a health directive. And you got to have a trust. That could be a revocable or an irrevocable depending on your situation. So when people ask me, what is it that I do? I help you create and put together what I like to call a complimentary financial plan so that way you can have strategies and solutions to make sure that you're on path to keep winning the money game. That's why they call me Mr. Finance. So this is what I do, and if this is something you want to learn how to do for yourself, I'm here ready to teach you. All you have to do is literally text the number right here, and I'll be more than happy to help you. I'll see you on the next side.